Alright, welcome to the magical world of Excel, the place where dreams go to die and formulas go to break. Let's talk about filters. Because if there's one thing Excel's good at, it's hiding stuff, like a teenager hiding bad grades. First thing you do is figure out where you want the filters to be. You know, the headings. The fancy bits at the top that make your spreadsheet look like it has a PhD. Highlight this column here. Drag your little mouse over to Sort and Filter. Click Add Filter. And just like that, bam, you've got filters. It's like putting sunglasses on your data. Suddenly, it's way cooler and way more selective about who it lets in. Pick a few options, deselect some others. Basically, it's Tinder for spreadsheets. And then when you miss your ex, your data, you just click Select All and everybody comes crawling back. Change the order from largest to smallest. Smallest to largest. Line them up like soldiers, or like your bills at the end of the month, depressingly accurate. And boom, that's how you make a filter. Easy, no crying, minimal swearing. But wait, there's a second way to do this. Because Excel's like that one friend who won't just give you directions. They've got two routes, a PowerPoint and a spiritual journey. Second method, highlight the area you care about the problem zone, like a workout infomercial. Don't highlight the main header. That's the spreadsheet equivalent of tattooing your forehead. Go to Insert, click Table, hit OK. Boom. You've now got yourself a fully functional filtering system. It's like giving your spreadsheet a gym membership and a fresh haircut. Take some of these out. Sort A to Z, Z to A. Alphabet soup, baby. And yeah, maybe your columns look a little squished. No big deal. Stretch them out like you're trying to get into jeans from 2010. Row height? 35. Color? Whatever makes you feel like you have your life together. You can make it look professional. Or at least like you tried. And that, my friends, is how you create filters in Excel. It's not magic. It's just Microsoft making us feel both powerful and stupid at the same time. Have a great day, and may your spreadsheets never poop on you again. Last thing, help a guy out. Subscribe. It won't cost you nothing, but helps me keep making these vids.